Say goodbye to painful cracks and itchy patches and hello to hydrated, happy skin with the Everything Rescue Balm. This head-to-toe beauty balm works harder and faster than other salves because it's powered by nature's most intelligent and biocompatible hydrating botanicals. It brings big relief to your skin instantly with natural biocompatible ingredients that your skin recognizes and knows how to use. Calendula Oil helps to hydrate dry and chapped skin, while occlusive Illipe Butter protects the skin surface and locks in moisture, and anti-microbial Helichrysum and Eucalyptus Oil restore even the driest, most distressed skin to a calm, hydrated, and happy state. Everything Rescue Balm is clinically proven to work. 100% said their skin immediately felt returned to a healthy state after just one use. Use it on practically everything, on dry and flaky spots, chapped lips, calloused feet, rough elbows, post-shave irritation, dry cuticles, and after wind or sun exposure. What's more, this multi-purpose beauty balm offers benefits even beyond skincare. It can even be used on split ends to smooth down flyaway hairs or to add a trendy, glossy sheen to your cheekbones. Keep one by your bed, one in your purse, and one in the car. The Everything Rescue Balm comes in a travel-friendly aluminum tin because you'll always want to have it on hand.